Pixel 11 Pro into your car by using the Android Auto. First of all, on your Pixel, you will have to start by opening System Settings. Now you will have to go for the connected devices. And by the way, just make sure that you enable Bluetooth and the Wi-Fi. It's important because without this, it will be not possible to be connected. So as I said before, enable Wi-Fi and then go to the connected devices. Also make sure that you turn on the Bluetooth over here. Now you can just go back and go to the connection preferences. Then you will have to scroll down for the Android Auto. You will have to just tap on it once. Now click to connect a vehicle, and if it is not working for you, if your car doesn't actually support wireless method, I'm gonna also show you how to do this by using cable. But first of all, click to connect using wireless Android Auto, and as you can see, it's available on some 2021 or newer vehicles, or if you have the specific wireless adapter. But for me, this feature is built into my car system. So now on your car, you have to enter for a pairing mode. In the most cases, you can find the pairing button on the steering wheel. But for me, it's like enabled as default, so I don't have to. And in my case, I have to go here to connect using Bluetooth, click to pair a vehicle, and now tap to pair new devices. And here, just wait until your car appears over here. So we have to just tap on the name of your car. And now, as you can see, you should find this notification on both devices. So we have to accept pair here, but also over here. And now we have to wait for another prompt. Like if we want to grant access for messages, calls, and other things, we have to just simply accept everything one by one until we will be successfully connected. So just wait for this. As you can see, the another permissions, that's how the screen looks in my case, the Android Auto of a Pixel 11 Pro. Click continue over here, click to allow for those messages one more time. And as you can see, looks like we are successfully connected. We can find, for example, the Gemini. We can go for a settings of the Android Auto and we can set up some things. Or we can, for example, go for the Google Maps or just simply start using like YouTube Music. But now let's go for the wired method. Okay, so for this wired method, you will have to connect this USB-C or USB-A cable into the compatible port in your car. So for me, I've got two of them under the emergency light. Now it's connected, and now the second then connect into your Pixel 11 Pro. And now when connected by cable, you should find this screen on your, this information on your car screen and click OK. But if you don't have this screen, if you don't have this infotainment system in your car, sometimes you will get information over here and you will have to use this confirmation buttons on your steering wheel. So I cannot actually exactly show you how it looks for every car because there's like multiple brands on the market. But if you follow those steps, I believe that you will be able to connect your Pixel 11 Pro. And if you have some problems, then let me know. I will try to help you as fast as possible.